So you can see the nice view you get from the hotel here at the Holiday Inn. Little desk, and certainly. So here is Naya. Naya. Terminal 3 right here. There's one Cebu Pacific and one Air Asia here, and it is a little cloudy today. Not much traffic here at the airport at around 10 a.m. on a Friday in July. Okay, so this is the Holiday Inn Express Manila at the airport. Resorts World. This is the bathroom, the sink, stand-up shower, and then moving over to the bed, and it has a little sitting area, a desk, a safe, a coffee pot, which you could make coffee if you had instant coffee, a refrigerator, and you can see the runway view of Manila. This is Terminal 3. So this is Manila Naya, Terminal 3.
Naya.
Naya. Naya. Not Naya, Naya. And there's the traffic, the Manila traffic at 5 p.m. So this is the buffet breakfast with a voucher here at the Holiday Inn, where the coffee is lousy. So this is the wedding venue for the Hilton Manila, and that's one of the cars you can rent, I guess, for the wedding venue. So this is the union vehicle for the Teamsters here at the Hilton Manila. Going down, it's the Hilton. You look at those cakes. So there we are at Cucina Cafe. All right, Hilton Manila. So this is the fresh lasagna they just put out. Donut. I just put some hot chocolate on top of it. And this is the placemat. It has a pouch for the silverware. So this is the Indian plate. Some kind of roti bread, basmati rice, and some beans, and some spicy curries. So the Hilton serves a full pot of good brewed coffee. Play area for the kids. Play area for the kids. Stir fry, beans, and Indian dish. All right, so we're at Cucina. We're enjoying our. Go from a new shopping center here, which is here, and you come down to the end, and you're in that neighborhood.